2022, Hailey Bieber launched her skincare line Rhode, and just a few days after, the clothing brand Rhode initiated a lawsuit against Bieber. They fought back, they pushed back, and they took the case all the way to federal court, arguing that, there's gonna be consumer confusion. Hey, we have a registered trademark, we've been registered since 2014. This isn't fair. We should not be required to abandon our trademark just because you've been using it. So a judge actually ruled in favor of Bieber and allowed her to continue with her launch while the dispute ensued. Here we are in 2024, and both parties have finally settled, and they've basically agreed to coexist, meaning that Bieber can now use Rhode to sell her skincare line, and the luxury clothing brand Rhode can continue with business and sell its clothing. This is such a great example of, number one, why it's so important to protect your trademark early on. The sooner you start the trademark process, the more leverage you have, if there are any disputes, right?